Why you're always broke, before payday, and how to change that. Do you get paid, and just days later you're broke again? You're not alone. And no, it's not just because you don't earn enough. In this video, we'll break down why you keep running out of money before payday, and how to fix it starting now. You don't budget at all. Let's be honest, if your money doesn't have a plan, it disappears. You need to tell every rand where to go before it enters your account. Fix it. Use a simple monthly budget, even on paper. Prioritize essentials like rent, transport, groceries, and savings. You spend emotionally. Stress spending, retail therapy, boredom buys. They feel good in the moment, but leave your wallet hurting. Fix it. Wait 24 hours before unplanned purchases. Replace emotional spending with a healthy habit like journaling or walking. You rely too much on credit. If you're using your store cards or credit cards to survive the week, you're borrowing from your future self, and it's not sustainable. Fix it. Build a small emergency fund and focus on spending cash only for daily needs. You don't track daily spending. R20 here, R50 there. It adds up fast. Fix it. Track everything for 1 month. You'll be shocked where your money's going. Use a notebook, budgeting app, or just a notes app on your phone. You pay everyone else first. You pay rent, you pay bills, you pay loans, but you forget to pay yourself. Fix it. Save at least 10% of your income immediately when you get paid, even if it's 100 rand. You live for paycheck day. If payday is your only motivation, you're stuck in the cycle. Fix it. Shift from survive until payday to build for long-term freedom. Start tracking progress, not just dates. Being broke before payday isn't just a money problem. It's a habit problem. Start small. Change one habit at a time. And remember, consistency beats income when it comes to financial success. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more real money advice and comment, what keeps draining your money the fastest?